Ruchi Sharma. We have got you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world. But first, let's take a look at the headlines. RBI's attempt to ban cryptocurrencies may be too late, according to a report. Institutional crypto custodians raised more than $3 billion in 2021. Wales cornered CRO, UMA, UNI, sold Aave, SNX rep in 2021. $2.7 billion worth of Luna tokens burned so far in December as USD demand increases. SHIB was the most popular coin on CoinMarketCap in 2021, according to a report. New Ethereum-based altcoin spurts 2,191% in just a day. Aave now wants to buy defunct Blockbuster to turn it into a movie streaming service. Thai tech company's stock surges by 7,000% since Bitcoin mining announcement. Metaverse makes off with $3.2 million in rug pull. Founder of DogeCoin reveals his Doge holdings. The Reserve Bank of India's attempt to seek a complete ban on cryptocurrencies may be too late given the wide adoption of the digital asset in the country, the Times of India reported, citing legal experts. Earlier this month, the RBI told its board that a complete ban on crypto was needed as a partial ban won't work. According to the report, a section of the government may be against a full ban due to fears of being cut off globally and being clubbed with China, which banned crypto earlier this year. Legal experts, however, feel that it is too late for India to completely ban crypto given the previous ruling of the country's apex court and also keeping in mind the need to avoid hurting investors' sentiments. However, India's rule on crypto need to be in harmony with its foreign currency rules, the report said, citing legal experts. The winter session of the parliament last week ended without a discussion on a proposed cryptocurrency bill. Crypto custodial firms focused on the institutional market raised more than $3 billion this year, according to the Block research. The rate of investment was more than 3 times higher than 2020. Major funding rounds include Anchorad's $350 million fundraising, Ledger's $380 million raise, Fireblock's $310 million, and Copper's $50 million raise. Copper is now said to be eyeing more than $500 million in fresh funding. According to the Block Research 2022 Digital Asset Outlook report, in 2022, the investments into digital asset custody are likely to bear fruit in the form of enhanced service offerings and continued innovation into the technologies that enable digital asset custody. The crypto space will also continue to grow as traditional financial institutions such as BBVA, BNY Mellon, and US Bank, among others, enter or expand their digital assets offerings, including custody. Crypto whales accumulated 3 digital assets while selling 3 others during the year. According to analytical firm Sentiment into a tweet post told its followers that whales have bought 41% more CRO over the last 2 months. CRO is the cryptocurrency that powers the Crypto.com payment, trading and financial services platform. Whales are entities that hold between 100,000 to 10 million CRO tokens. Sentiment also revealed that whales are scooping up UMA, a platform that allows developers to build synthetic asset or Ethereum-based tokens that can track the price of anything. UMA has plummeted 53% since its major local top 6 weeks ago, yet the key large stakeholders for the ETH-based project have continued to add more to their bags. Lastly, Uniswap, the decentralized project, saw a great surge in the early half of 2021 but fell off in the later one. In spite of the correction, large addresses have only been adding more and more to their bags, Sentiment said. The 3 altcoins Sentiment says whales are letting go of are lending and borrowing protocol Aave, derivatives liquidity protocol Synthetic, and prediction markets platform Augur. According to Sentiment, whales have shed 18.5% of their SNX tokens and 5% of their REP coins since September. As for Aave, the insights firm says that whales have shaved 4.32 8% of their holdings. As UST demand rises, nearly $2.7 billion worth of Luna tokens, or 27 million, have been burned so far in December, according to Terra Analytics. On December 27, Luna reached new all-time highs of $104. Since the Columbus 5 upgrade went into effect at the end of September, 102.71 million Luna tokens have been burned. The Columbus 5 upgrade introduced a new mechanism for keeping stablecoins pegged to their fiat value anytime UST is created. The equivalent quantity of Luna is burned. This gives a direct correlation between the two assets so that as USD demand goes up, Luna's price also goes up. According to a latest report, SHIB is the most popular coin on CoinMarketCap in 2021, outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Shiba Inu received more than 188 million views in the year, which is over 43 million more than Bitcoin's 145 million views this year, according to CoinMarketCap. DogeCoin was ranked in the third position among the most seen cryptocurrencies this year with 107 million views, followed by Ethereum and Cardano with 86 million views and 81 million views respectively. An Ethereum-based altcoin that recently entered the crypto markets has jumped more than 22-fold in just 24 hours. OpenDAO saw a staggering increase in price following its airdrop on December 24th. Data from CoinMarketCap shows that SOS surged 2,191% since the day of the airdrop. The OpenDAO project launched the SOS token to reward the participants of the non-fungible token industry, and on December 24th started distributing SOS tokens to users of OpenSea, the largest NFT marketplace. The OpenDAO website said 50% of the 100 trillion total SOS tokens would be allocated to those who have traded on OpenSea since day one. The distribution of coins depends on the user's total number of transactions on OpenSea as well as the amount of Ethereum, DAI and USD coin that a user has spent on the platform. OpenSea users can claim their tokens until June 30th, 2022. The rest of the tokens will be distributed as follows: 10% for liquidity provider incentives, 20% for staking investment incentives, and 20% for the OpenDAO treasury. The SOS allocated for OpenDAO will be used to compensate OpenSea scam victims, provide developers grant for participation of the SOS ecosystem, and support emerging artists, NFT communities, and art preservation. Just weeks after a failed attempt by a decentralized autonomous organization to buy an original copy of the US Constitution, another DAO has been set up to buy a historical artifact. The defunct movie rental business Blockbuster, the DAO aptly christened Blockbuster DAO, seeks to control Blockbuster brand and create a decentralized film streaming service out of it, with plans for movie financing and production later. According to a Twitter thread of Blockbuster DAO, the Blockbuster DAO plans to raise $5 million to purchase Blockbuster from Dish Network, an American television provider that bought the movie rental company in 2011. Blockbuster DAO aims to raise the cash by selling Blockbuster DAO NFTs for 0.13 ETH. DAOs have gained popularity in 2021 as a way for groups to make decisions and achieve a common goal. They often use NFTs, governance tokens, or other forms of cryptocurrency to vote on these decisions and raise funds for the DAO. Shares of Jasmine Technology Solution, a Thai-based technology business, skyrocketed over 6,700% in 2021 after it began crypto mining with 335 devices in July, according to a Bloomberg report. The firm's net income between January and September jumped 436% on a year-over-year basis from sales of the traditional telecommunication-related businesses. Jasmine Technology has generated 8 BTC through mining, and its chairman, Suraj Asarvaprabha, expects this segment to contribute 80% of total revenues in 2022. According to the report, the company now wants to expand operations by investing 3.3 billion baht in the purchase of roughly 7,000 new devices. According to a report by Finbold, the Bank of Thailand had previously warned banks operating in the nation against trading cryptocurrency because of the dangers associated with volatility. That's all in the bulletin for now. Keep watching Crypto TV.